6 Probiotic Foods for Good Gut Health. Hello and welcome. We hope that you will subscribe to our channel, Munch for Wellness, as well as like and share this video. Also, as a quick disclaimer, this is an informational video only and not, in any way, to be considered medical advice. Now, onto today's topic. What are probiotics? And how can they improve your gut health? If you're somewhat unfamiliar with the concept of probiotics, then you'll be happy to know that they could be a step towards some relief for a variety of issues in your gut. The health of your gut can have an extreme impact on your level of energy, how quickly you recover from illness, and a lot of other daily details that influence your quality of life. The probiotics found in fermented foods, such as the natural probiotics mentioned in this video, can go a long way toward maximizing your gut health. Not only that, but fermented foods, which enrich our gut flora with beneficial bacteria, also do the extra duty of combating the harmful, environmental contaminants and toxins found in our food, our water and the air that we breathe. One of the best ways to incorporate high-quality probiotics into your diet is mentioned at the end of this video. Stay to the end to learn about a green superfood that beats out all of the other natural probiotics commonly consumed. Here are 6 gut health foods that are natural probiotics. 1. Yogurt. Perhaps the most widely known source of probiotic flora in the world, yogurt stands above the rest, as the most recognizable of the bunch. Yogurt contains bacteria called Lactobacillus delbrueckii that cause its fermentation, and are known to improve gut health. The acidic nature of the bacteria gives the yogurt its special taste, and coagulates the casein in the yogurt to give it a more solid texture. 2. Kombucha. Kombucha tea is a fermented drink made with tea, sugar, bacteria and yeast. This popular drink is known for its unusual flavor and its probiotic content. The bacterium in kombucha is known for its ability to directly help with gastrointestinal issues, such as constipation and inflammation of the gut. Since the fermentation process leaves trace amounts of alcohol in the drink, it's not suggested for pregnant women and kids. 3. Sourdough. This type of bread is not only great tasting, but also very healthy, and will help you to avoid some of the processing associated with modern bread production. Sourdough is another food on this list that makes a great use of lactobacillus. This makes it a good bread to eat when you have an upset or sensitive stomach. 4. Sauerkraut. This cabbage mixture is a primarily European food that contains a helping of lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is famous for its ability to help people who are lactose intolerant to be able to deal with dairy more effectively. 5. Fresh peas. Peas are amazing little vegetables. You might not have ever known that peas contain a very powerful, probiotic bacteria. This bacteria has the ability to stimulate your immune system. This can help you defend against a wide variety of illnesses that you might be vulnerable to if you had skipped the peas. 6. Kefir. This tangy, tart, yogurt-like drink is made with good bacteria and yeast. It contains more friendly probiotics than even yogurt. The important bacteria in kefir can help you to process dairy, and also to help you to break down more complex nutrients into their more simple parts for use in the body. But, what if you are not keen on yogurt, kefir or kombucha? Many people are not. There is an alternative that makes your life a whole lot easier. Green superfoods powder, that is comprised of fermented green grasses and vegetables, is the way to go. Many green powders are hard to digest, cause gas and bloating, and contain unnecessary fillers, preservatives, and sweeteners. And when you get a green powder supplement that is fermented, bacteria and yeasts pre-digest the plant material, making the nutrients more bioavailable. Not to mention, adding billions of beneficial probiotics to an easy-to-consume green superfoods powder. Find out more in the link below this video. Start today for your best gut health.
Thanks for watching. We upload new videos all week long. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.